Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can reset phone on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access display. After that, click on Advanced at the bottom. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, just tap on the back button, and as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!